We got a 2005 Saab 9.3 in for a window regulator. So here's the new window regulator, and I just wanted to show you how we've diagnosed the problem to be the regulator. We got the door panel apart. Yeah, we've already taken it apart. And we have the motor out already. So here's the motor. The new window regulator doesn't come with the motor, so we pull the motor apart. We know the motor's working beforehand, and here is our problem. The regulator, this plastic wheel, is broken and all the wiring has fallen apart. See this wheel? It's all chewed out, broken and cracked. So this cable is all bunching up and not winding up the window properly. That was the problem. So we're gonna pull this apart and get this changed out. Okay, so the regulator is bolted in 4 places. One bolt here, one here, actually 5 places. Down here, here, and there's one up in this corner. So we unbolted all that already, and we've unbolted the motor. That way we can slide the window down. So the window can slide down now. We're able to slide the window down and to find where it is bolted in. So the window's bolted in here, and I guess we'll have to slide it a little further down to unbolt the window from the regulator. That way we can slip it out. That's one bolt for the window. Unbolt that. Whoa, it's gonna drop. Oh, no. So our cable's getting tangled up here. That's why we can't roll the window down anymore. So our window. So our next bolt is right up in there. That is the next bolt that holds the window in. So we'll just unbolt that. There we go, we got our bolt out. So now our window is able to separate from our regulator. So our window is separated. Let's take that window out so we don't break it. Let's lay it down here. Put our window down there. Should have been fall. Actually, let's put it down. Let's put our window down so we don't break it. Now we can go back in here and take out our window regulator. Okay. This cable is hooked up in here somewhere. Oh, it's clipped up inside. Alright, our window regulator is out. That's the old. Yeah, see how the cable's all completely falling apart? So here's a close-up. Our window regulator, that wheel is broken. All the cables fall apart. That's the old, and there's the new. So we're gonna reinstall this one and get it going. Alright, so we're gonna put our new regulator back in. Okay, we're gonna go in this way. Let's see how it goes. Goes in this way because the studs are here. Find our window mount. It's always important to make sure you test it and make sure it works. There you go. Our window's working. We got our window going.